Hey guys, I'm back for another video, and today I would like to showcase the BlockShot Network's 2-month progress update. A lot has happened in the past month of BlockShot being a thing. Also, if you haven't checked out the 1-month progress update, then I would suggest you look at that first, because a lot of the stuff in this one depends on the 1-month progress update. There have been 6 new blog posts, and they go as follows: showcasing the forum, create a class and game modes, blocks and maps, apply for staff and FAQ, which we'll talk about later, behind the scenes, core gameplay mechanics, and also there's the story and soundtrack one, which came out just before the previous update video came out. All of them are awesome. We actually uploaded more blogs than Hytale themselves, which I find kind of funny. So let's talk about the apply for staff and FAQ pages. So before, to apply for staff for BlockShot, you had to leave a link to a Google Doc in a specific chat in our Discord channel. There were no real rules other than that. I mean, it was a good system. It is how we got like 60 people on the staff team, but it wasn't very professional or official. And if we ever wanted to, you know, hire paid people, we would need to do something a bit more official anyway. So that is why we now have a specific page on the website for it. It's really well made, and it has all sorts of different text fields you can fill out. It's still very easy though. It's not like it's going to deter new people from applying. All you have to do is put in your name, email, Discord, and then select which role you would like to be your primary role, and then you can say how much experience you have in that role, put in your age, and then select as many secondary roles as you would like. Have a brief explanation as to why you're applying for the job, and then link a portfolio, and that's it. And of course, the portfolio would have previous works you've done. If you're, for example, an artist, then having previous bits of art, maybe some pixel art you've done. If you're an animator or a model maker, then showing off some models you've made would be really nice. Some of the best applications, I've reviewed almost 100 of them at this point. Some of the best applications are just chock full of stuff. It's almost an instant accept if I see some like really well done, for example, 3D models. I mean, the most recent one I reviewed had a Pip-Boy as well. And it's just stuff like that that just inspires me and makes me think, hey, this person's gonna make some awesome stuff because they know what they're doing, they have this creative mind, and they show dedication towards the project. So that sort of thing is what I'm looking for in a staff application. And about every Sunday, me and Anthony review them. If you don't know who Anthony is, he's the second in command with gameplay mechanics type stuff. And of course my best friend. But sometimes we review them whenever we feel like it, so I mean the deadline is a Sunday, but if we feel like doing it earlier, we will. One thing that's really cool about the staff applications page is the second you submit a staff app, it actually pings staff in a specific channel called Staff Applications Inbox, and then from there we can just click on your application to see all the information. And it's all nice and convenient. The devs really outdid themselves with this one. I mean, they literally set up a Discord bot to invite or to show staff an application. Like, even on the staff panel, everything is super professional, which I think is pretty neat. We also have an FAQ page, which is pretty self-explanatory. You look at a question, you wonder what that question's answer is, you click on it, and then it will show you the answer. So what is the BlockShot network? And then boom, you'll get a little paragraph describing what BlockShot is. And there'll be another question like, how many maps will there be? And then, of course, you'll see the answer for that. And things like, when do we think Hytale is releasing, blah, 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 blah. All sorts of stuff. Of course, this list is going to get much longer as time goes on. So next up is the forum. It took us a long time, but we finally got a forum for the BlockShot network up and running, and I have to say, it has so many features. Of course, the blog has all sorts of information, including news and announcements, ideas and feedback for those of you guys that want to, you know, see us add things to the game, bug reports, ban appeals, and then we have our general discussion, YouTube showcase. We actually promote creators that talk about BlockShot, or in the future play BlockShot, and we would probably, even if we like the video, feature it on our YouTube channel in the community playlist. So yeah, don't feel like you're advertising or whatever by showing your videos in there. If they're BlockShot related, then the staff will take a look. We really do like to see what you guys have done, whether it be just a summary of what's happening, your thoughts, maybe your ideas for BlockShot, kind of like me and Hytale videos. I would I would, of course, if somebody made a big video talking about all the things they want in BlockShot, like, the staff team will be there, like, sitting in, like, a Discord call, probably just, like, discussing it as it's happening, as we're all watching at the same time. Would be really cool. And we also have the Chill Zone, which is basically just, like, an off-topic channel. Talk about whatever you like, make some friends, that sort of thing. And then down below, we actually are going to have clans in the BlockShot network. So, of course, we would like to have clan discussions and recruitment pages. And we actually have a private forum that is only for ranked members. It's one of the benefits you get for being a rank. So, in the past month, the BlockShot YouTube channel has seen a lot of success. We've uploaded 8 videos so far, with an assortment of soundtrack videos. We have a couple for the model maker, and our animators have been making some really cool looking models. For example, the M4 and the Spaz 12. And we've gained 661 subscribers as of recording this video. And our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the release of Hytale. That way we can, you know, become eligible for monetization. And then we're going to do a Q&A live stream. So I'll be promoting the crap out of it all over my channel and all the Discords and all that. And it'd be a fun chance for you to talk directly to staff. We'll have everybody in a call, and then whenever somebody has a question they ask in the live stream chat, we'll answer it to the best of our abilities. As you can see, as mentioned before, there's the community content playlist, which is pretty cool. We'll showcase all your BlockShot videos. There's actually a BlockShot Network Twitch channel, which actually was reserved for us by one of the guys over at Hytale Hub, so we appreciate that, because there were people that were going around snagging usernames. Actually, you know, the BlockShot Twitch channel name was taken by somebody else, but yeah, it was handed over to us by the Hub guys, so thanks, guys. We're probably going to end up using the Twitch channel as a way of promoting our creators and hosting live events. So I don't know if you guys know this, but there's actually going to be a competitive system in BlockShot. So not only is there going to be a ranked mode, but there will also be events and things like seasons, competitive seasons with its own loot, with a battle pass, and we've got some really ambitious plans. And of course that's going to require an ELO system, which actually a buddy of ours that's on the Horizon team, which is also one of our devs, his name is Scarecrow, he is in the process of working on an ELO rank-based system right now. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, the Twitch channel, imagine it as the place where, for example, when we have our competitive brackets, maybe there'll be a championship game. We pick the top, I don't know, 16 teams, and then they fight off against each other in a TDM or a CTF or probably domination, something like that. And then we get to live stream the whole thing with announcers and everything. So that's what the Twitch channel is probably going to be for. Pretty excited for that one, actually. I also got an Instagram account, probably going to post memes on there, maybe talk about updates. You know, not too big a plan with that one. We're just gonna, you know, it's good to just have all the social medias. Maybe even we'll highlight some funny moments that are user-submitted clips. I think it would be really cool if we had like a replay type system where you could, you know, record your gameplay and then be able to send it to other people and share moments. That would be pretty cool. This time around, we have a new round of guns and other pieces of art for the BlockShot network, and oh boy, the model makers have been really busy. Of course, I can't say this enough, we're only practicing. We're not banking on the fact that Hytale will be able to import Craft Studio models. If they can't, that's okay, we're just practicing. But even so, we have a lot of really cool stuff, and there's actually some concept art for new weapons that is being worked on right now, along with the story elements. And I remember last time I said that the story elements was the weakest part of the staff team. Now, I would say it's actually tied with the music department. So the music guys got a little bit of a break this month, but they still released some awesome stuff. Probably some of it playing in the background. But yeah, now the story guys are really pulling through, and I can't wait to express all of these cool ideas that they've got. Also, the builders have been hanging out on my own Minecraft server, play.cbucraft.net, and on there they are continuing to build the backgrounds for all the OST videos. They're actually doing an SMP for fun, which I think is great, because I mean, having the staff team not only work together well, but be friends, like that just sounds like a great thing to do. And I might stop by if I have time. I haven't really been able to because of the whole college thing, but you know, they have like a society and everything. It's really funny. Of course, the server's public if you want to log in for yourself. IP is play.cbucraft.net. Oh, and another update. we now have a new concept. If you go to the game modes section, you will see BlockShot Labs, which is a new game mode lobby that will be exclusive to certain ranked members, and what it will be is a way for us devs to test out new features, to add new weapons to the game, new maps, new game modes, and they will be featured in the labs. So that's where these ranked members will be able to play these brand new game modes. They'll be the first ones to get it. They can leave their suggestions, of course. We're going to be very receptive to feedback, especially during that stage, because we want the game modes to be perfect for everybody. So you guys will get the chance to play games before everyone else if you have whatever rank it is that we decide gives you access to BlockShot Labs. So we've actually updated our status for staff in the past month, and I'm happy to say right now we have 8 council members. Like, geez, there are 8 people that have a say in what happens in the network now on the highest level. So now we can have a true democracy. We also have 20 people that are on the staff role, and we have 42 trial staff. So there are a lot of people on the BlockShot team, like a lot. And of course we have 8 Discord moderators. That makes the total something like, I think it's 60, 70, 78 people that have a staff role for BlockShot right now. How insane is that? Oh my goodness. And there's a few side projects that are going on for BlockShot. If you guys don't know, Button Press Studios LLC is actually the company that is, you know, the legal entity for BlockShot. And me and Novus Theory, one of the developers, we've been planning on a little side project that will help generate funding for hosting the servers for BlockShot. It's a little desktop application that allows editors and YouTubers to share files efficiently, and it's got no data cap. It's not hosting any files online, so there's theoretically no limit to what you can send. It's pretty cool. I'm hoping that before release we can get that sent out, and yeah. If you want updates for that, make sure to go to buttonpress.org. Anyway, that is it for this update video, guys. As you can tell, a lot of stuff has happened for BlockShot in the past month, and in the next update, 1 month from now, I'm hoping we have even more stuff to show you. Actually, I'm going to be spoiling what next week's blog post is going to be about BlockShot. It will be a to-do list, or the roadmap that the staff has for release. So you'll see all the things we're planning on doing, and then you'll see our excuses for why we're doing so much work even before the game comes out, because, you know, whatever we do start, we're pretty certain it'll work out the way we need. If you like this video, then make sure to tell me so in the comments down below. And if you would like to join the BlockShot team, of course you can go to blockshotnetwork.com/apply-for-staff. Of course, the link will be in the description down below and in the linked comment for the website. And if you can't find it using the URL, of course you can just go to the bottom of the page. And if you'd like to join the Discord, the link will be there as well. Oh, and let's get the BlockShot YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers. Let's freaking do it. The second we do, we are going to do our Q&A live stream, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It'll be the first time that any of us have actually spoken in one of the videos on that channel. Well, anyway, that's it. So, we hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later.